Hello everyone, so welcome back to the investment side of the channel. So today I'll be starting a 10k portfolio challenge and I intend to grow it to 20k by 2026. So in this challenge, I believe I'll have to take on substantial risks to attempt to reach the goal, and I'll see how far I can go with this challenge in 1 year's time. So this is to reflect the real psychology of investing your money in the stock market, and I'll be as transparent as I can in this journey. So, anyways, why you may ask me why 10k, right? So I believe it is a sum that is achievable by most, and I believe if you are a graduate and you have worked for a number of years, maybe 3 4 years, and after you save up your emergency fund, right? I believe 10k is something that you would be able to afford to lose and to invest, and so that is why I chose 10k. And also because Longbridge is currently running a sign-up promotion where if you deposit $10,000 and if you maintain it for 90 days, to complete 5 trades, you will be able to get Singapore dollars, $270 worth of Nvidia and Apple shares. So I thought, why not get a free 2.7% return, right, while starting the challenge. Anyway, you can also get yours by using my link down below, and there are different tiers to it. With the lowest tier starting at $80 for depositing and maintaining $2,000 in your account and completing 3 trades. So while we are in a bull market, so taking all the sign-up bonuses from all the trading platforms available, and I'm pretty sure all these bargains and deals will end once the bull market ends. So anyway, right, you may ask me, wow, how I intend to grow a 10k portfolio by 100% in 1 year, right? 哪里可能, right? And yes, that's exactly. I will not be able to predict how well or how badly this portfolio does. So, like what I said just now, to achieve this 100% return, I will need to take on substantial risk. So, do your own due diligence and measure your own risk tolerance. So, do not follow the trades, and I'm prepared for it to go down 50-80%. But I do think that this will be a great reflection of the mindset and a reflection of the emotions when starting out your own investment journey. So if you wish to follow my investment journey, my main portfolio, or feel free to also comment down below if you wish to know. So let me show you what I bought yesterday night, and I'll give you a short explanation on why they are in the portfolio. So the first one is actually my favorite, iren. So it has given me good gains in the main portfolio, and I do believe that there are substantial upside for iren as previously mentioned in the video. So you can check it out here. So anyway, as OpenAI, Nvidia, and AMD, Broadcom, all these big players are signing more deals for GPUs, right? I think there needs to be places to plug them in, and iren is in a very unique position to provide these high-level data centers for them to plug them in. So as for IRE, right, it's just a 2 times leverage on iren, which I think is just a bit of a degenerate move in my opinion, as if iren swings 5%, it will swing 10%. So these are the risks that I'm willing to take for that 100% return. So next is DFDV. So this is just a short-term trade. I have no idea what the fundamentals of the company are, and I only know that it is a Solana debt company. So what is a debt, right? So a debt is a digital asset treasury company. So just like SBAT or BMNR, which you may have heard of. So what I like about it, right, is the technical part. So I love the descending triangle pattern, which will probably tell me an answer whether I make money or lose money very soon. So this is purely trading, and I don't intend to hold it for very long unless there's a substantial move upwards or of course downwards, which will hit my stop loss. So, but I think the risk to reward is not bad here. So that is why I took the trade. So the next one is the tracker position on DAS, which is a 2 times leverage short on gold related stocks. So anyway, my thesis is that the gold has topped out, and that is why I started a small position to short gold. So the next two on the list, right, are actually cryptocurrencies. So Chainlink and Ondo, which I do see some potential in. So my thesis is, right, as we enter the final stage of the bull run, which has ran for, I believe, around 3 years. So as gold collapses, Bitcoin will run and odd season may finally start. So, but anyway, I have not read much into them, just a basic level of knowledge, and I will update more as I learn more about them. So, okay, you may ask, right? So, why these stocks and not dividend stocks or Singapore saving bond, for example? So, if you keen into a compound calculator, right, at 2% return, So 2% is actually already very generous, as the latest SSB is only giving you like 1.83% returns, simple interest for 10 years. So assuming two returns per year, right? And if you reinvest that dividend back in, it will take you 35 years to grow from 10K to 20K, and that's assuming you reinvest the dividend. So this is the problem with small money, right? So growing 10K to 20K requires a gain of 100%. So assuming this is, of course, you don't add extra sum of money into the portfolio, but good luck waiting 35 years just to earn extra 10K from SSBs. So even if you invest 10K in S&P 500, right? Sorry, but you still need 7 years lah, to compound at a compound rate of 10% just to reach 20K. So if I want to do it in 1 year, right? Wow. Without adding additional capital, I will need to take on substantial amount of risk for the upside return. So let's see lah, if we can try to beat the market in 1 year. So anyways, right? Iren trades at the beta of 4.2, so IRE probably at around 8-ish. So what it means is that if S&P swings 1%, Iren will swing 4%, and IRE is expected to swing 8% respectively. So do not follow my trades, please. They are high risk stocks, and there is zero guarantee of where they are going next. So anyway, right, I'll be providing updates on a monthly basis. See you next month, and also see you in 1 year on 30th October 2026. I will see where I can hit with this challenge. So anyways, like usual, stay safe out there and remember to subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.